Hello, everyone. Welcome to Sophia Class. I am Sophia, and today my back hurts, my arms hurt, and I am sitting on a cardboard box.
Hello, listeners. I am Bob. Yes, Sophia is very tired today because she just moved into a new apartment. Congratulations, Sophia.
Thank you, Bob, but I do not feel happy right now. My new apartment is a disaster. It is incredibly messy. There are boxes everywhere.
Ah, that is a great descriptive word. Let me explain it for our listeners. Messy means dirty, untidy, or completely out of order. For example, his bedroom is very messy because his clothes are on the floor.
Exactly. My living room is so messy. I have a beautiful sofa, a glass coffee table, and a soft rug, but I cannot see them. They are buried under bags and boxes.
Don't worry, Sophia. You just need to unpack step by step. We can do a mental tour of your house today. It's a great way to teach our listeners the vocabulary for rooms and furniture.
Oh, let me explain that important verb. To unpack means to take things out of a box, bag, or suitcase after a journey or after moving to a new house. For example, when I arrive at the hotel, the first thing I do is unpack my suitcase.
Very good. Yes, we need to unpack your house. But, Sophia, before we talk about the rooms, I have a secret to share with you and our listeners.
A secret? About my house? What is it, Bob?
It is a secret organizing rule. It's called the 1-minute rule. If you learn this psychological trick, your new apartment will never get messy again. It will stay perfectly clean forever.
Perfectly clean forever? Bob, that sounds like magic. I am the queen of messy. Please tell me the rule right now.
I will teach you the rule later in the video, Sophia. You and our listeners have to wait. If you want a clean house forever, do not click away. Stay until the end.
You always make us wait, Bob. Okay, listeners, before we start our house tour, we want to know about you.
Yes, go to the comments right now. Tell us, do you like moving to a new house or do you hate it?
Type I love moving or I hate moving. I definitely hate it. Okay, write your answers. Next, Bob and I are going to organize the most delicious room in the house, the kitchen. Let's go.
All right, Sophia, let's leave the living room and walk into the kitchen. People say the kitchen is the heart of the house.
Yes, I love my new kitchen. It has beautiful wooden cabinets on the wall to store all my plates and glasses, and a large sink to wash the dishes.
That is wonderful. What about your large appliances? Did you buy a new fridge and a stove?
Oh, a great vocabulary word. Let me explain it for our listeners. An appliance means a machine or a piece of equipment in your house that uses electricity to do a job, like cooking or cleaning. For example, a washing machine is a very useful appliance.
Perfect explanation. So, do you have a stove for cooking your meals?
Well, I have a stove with 4 burners and an oven, but I do not use them, Bob. My most important appliances are my microwave to eat my pizza and my coffee maker to keep me awake.
Oh, Sophia, you need to cook healthy food. A kitchen is for cooking, not just for making coffee. Anyway, let's move down the hallway. Let's talk about the bedroom.
Ah, the bedroom, my favorite place. I have a huge, comfortable bed with 2 soft pillows and a thick blanket. It is perfect for sleeping in on Saturday mornings.
A good bed is essential. And where do you put your clothes? Do you have a large wardrobe?
Let me explain that word. A wardrobe means a tall piece of furniture like a closet, usually with doors where you hang your clothes. For example, she hung her new dress in the wooden wardrobe.
Perfect explanation. So, are all your clothes neatly organized inside your wardrobe?
No, Bob. Listeners, I have a secret. I have a very special piece of furniture in my bedroom. It is called the clothes chair.
The clothes chair? What is that?
It is a normal chair in the corner of the room, but I never sit on it. When I'm too tired to open the wardrobe, I just throw my jackets, pants, and shirts on the chair. It is a mountain of clothes.
Oh, Sophia, that is exactly why your house gets so messy. The clothes chair is a trap.
I cannot be the only one, Bob. Listeners, help me. Do you have a clothes chair in your bedroom too?
Be honest, everyone. Go to the comments, type, I use a wardrobe or I have a clothes chair.
Tell us the truth and do not go anywhere because next we're going into the bathroom and Bob will finally reveal his secret trick to stop the mess forever.
Okay, Bob, I cannot stand the messy boxes anymore. My clothes chair is falling over. You promised us a secret. Tell me the magical rule to keep my apartment clean forever.
All right, Sophia, it is time to learn the secret of organized people. It is a psychological trick called the 1-minute rule.
1 minute? What can I clean in 60 seconds? The whole apartment? I'm not a superhero, Bob.
No, not the whole apartment. The rule is very simple. If a task takes less than 1 minute to finish, do it immediately. Do not delay it.
Oh, let me explain that great vocabulary word for our listeners. To delay means to make something happen later than it should or to wait until a later time to do something. For example, the heavy rain caused them to delay the football match.
Perfect explanation, Sophia. Yes, do not delay it. When you walk into your bedroom and take off your jacket, putting it in the wardrobe takes exactly 10 seconds.
Oh, but I throw it on the chair because my brain says, I'm tired. I will do it tomorrow.
Exactly. Your brain tricks you. But if you force yourself to do it immediately, the pile of clothes never builds up. Let's look at another room, the bathroom.
Ah, my bathroom is beautiful. I have a large white bathtub to take long baths and a glass shower. Above the sink, there's a big mirror.
A great place to relax. But Sophia, when you brush your teeth, what do you do with the toothpaste tube?
Well, I leave it on the edge of the sink. I do not put the cap back on. I'm in a hurry in the morning.
The 1-minute rule. Putting the cap on and putting the toothpaste in the drawer takes 3 seconds.
Oh, a new word. Let me explain it. A drawer means a part of a desk, chest, or cabinet that is shaped like a box. You pull it out to put things inside. For example, I keep my socks in the top drawer of my dresser.
Thank you, Sophia. If you put things back in the drawer immediately, your sink is always clean. When you finish your coffee in the kitchen, washing the mug takes 30 seconds. Do it immediately.
Oh my goodness, Bob, that is brilliant. The mess in my house is just 100 little 1-minute tasks that I ignored. If I do them right away, I never have to spend 3 hours cleaning on Sunday.
Exactly. It changes your life. Your environment stays clean and your mind stays peaceful. That is the secret.
Listeners, this rule is a game changer. Pure gold. Are you going to use it?
Yes, tell us in the comments. Will you try the 1-minute rule in your house today? Will you stop throwing clothes on the chair?
Type, I will do it now in the comments right now. Keep writing and don't go anywhere because next we are going to summarize our house tour and do our final vocabulary review. Let's go. Wow, Bob, we learned so much today. We talked about the living room, the kitchen, the bedroom, the bathroom, and the amazing 1-minute secret. This was a fantastic episode.
It really was, Sophia. Listeners, before we test your memory, let's do a quick summary of what we learned today about your house. Point 1. We use furniture like a sofa, coffee table, and rug in the living room. Point 2. In the kitchen, we use appliances like a stove, oven, and microwave to cook our food. Point 3. Stop using a clothes chair in your bedroom. Use your wardrobe. And most importantly, use the 1-minute rule. If a task takes less than 60 seconds, do it immediately to keep your house perfectly clean.
A perfect summary, Bob. I am going to put my jacket in the wardrobe tonight. And now it is time for the final challenge, the vocabulary review.
All right, let's test our listeners. Sophia, what does messy mean?
Untidy or dirty, like an apartment full of moving boxes.
Correct. What about appliance?
A machine in your house that uses electricity, like a microwave or a washing machine.
Very good. What does it mean to delay?
To make something happen later, like saying, I will clean this cup tomorrow.
And finally, what is a drawer?
A box-shaped part of a cabinet that you pull out, where you should put your toothpaste.
You did an excellent job today, Sophia, and our listeners did a wonderful job too.
Listeners, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for learning with us and exploring my new apartment.
Yes, thank you for watching. Now, for your final homework, look around the room you are in right now. Find one thing you can clean or put away in under 1 minute, and do it. Then come back and tell us in the comments what you did. We read every single one.
Yes, go be productive. And if this secret cleaning rule helped you, please click the like button and subscribe to Sophia Class. Share this video with a friend who has a very messy bedroom.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep practicing and keep your house clean.
I am going to unpack my boxes now. Bye, everyone.